Welcome to a day in my life as a builder's wife. We are finally adding the finishing touches to this beauty, and I cannot wait to finally be able to showcase this really beautiful house. It was a hidden gem, let me tell you that, because you watched previous vlogs back where I showed you the house that we were gonna work on. It was a disaster, but it is a very beautiful home. Everything turned out so beautiful. The colors and everything is just so pretty, and I can't wait to show you. My husband went out to give an estimate. There's this one person who wants to turn like a little shed into an Airbnb. I don't know how that's gonna work. That's what he went to go do. So I am just here all alone waiting for him to get back. It is a rainy day. It is very ugly outside, and we are on alert mode due to the hurricane. I am going to show you what we're going to be doing today. Thank you so much for your continuous support, and let's get started with today's video.
Ya trae todo por 129. No, mira, trae unas baterías.
Since the kids are at home.
Why are you recording me? That was Daisy. She wanted this for me to do this. Record her.
They're stuck at home because of the hurricane, and they had the bright idea to make chocolate covered strawberries. So here they are making, well, at least trying to make some, because it's not as easy. It doesn't want to melt.
We wasted the whole bag.
1 pound going to waste.
Chocolate maker, you suck. You didn't give me my money back. For real, look at this. What's this? Okay, guys, I do recommend this brand though. Pretty easy.
They didn't make any white chocolate?
No. Pretty easy to use this. You know, I recommend this. This is good too. This one sucks. Don't ever get this. This one also sucks. 10 times worse. It's like a rock. A literal rock. Like, you can't even break it.
Yay for Daisy and her chocolate covered strawberry business.
No, parece
Ni quiere.
ice cream.
That's what I'm saying. It looks like
That's
ice
what
cream,
I
vanilla
said.
ice cream.
You did not.
Para que expliques qué vas a hacer today.
Sí, ¿qué voy a explicar? Nomás poner esas things que a instalar las, ¿cómo se llaman? Faucets. Faucets. Tigers con navajas en las manos. Aquí está el libro de las instrucciones.
Always read your instructions, please.
Es la que me va a leer la que está en la grabadora. La grabadora lee las instrucciones.
Es el installer, no la grabadora, que la grabadora solo graba. El instalador es el que debe de leer las instructions. No, it's so crooked.
Oh, qué chingado, ¿le va bien?
It's because she looks so funny. No, está muy, ¿cómo se dice? No, quedó bien chueca.
Pues, ¿qué estás haciendo?
Trying to record you. Okay, right. Hold on. Ahí.
Estás.
Having fun over there.
Así que plomeros mejor ni se metan en nada. Esto va para los dueños de las casas que no quieren pagar y miren dónde anda uno. Ya paguen bien, no sean codos. No chillen a la hora de que les hagan algo en su casa. No sean chillones. Ok.
¿Es todo lo que tuviste que decir?
Ya. Estoy embravecido con esos dueños de las casas.
¿Ya te desahogaste?
No, ya me dan ganas de mandarlos. Todavía de que uno anda ahí, todavía me pueden dar una rebajita.
Dile, rebajita, iba a quedar la llave como estaba before. Toda chueca. Vamos a test. ¿No va a liquear?
Ya le bajé.
Ah, bueno. No leaks. Nice.
Ya para la inspección.
Yes. ¿Ese también ya se puede prender? No leaks. Yay. Fun. Babe, life of a builder. You get to come home whenever you want, eat, rest, and go back to work if you want. You gonna go back? Let's go then. Vámonos. Estás muy apurado por irte. This was super weird, but the countertop... ¿Es countertop? See? But the countertop from the middle bathroom's vanity wasn't installed. And that sink also wasn't installed. So he's just gluing that so that he can install it. Never encountered that before, which is super weird. And that's how this one came, because the one in the master bath, it all came together, so that was weird.
Damn. All that dookie water.